Hello friends, today I'm making Cashew Double Decker Barfi. I've started with a clip of the finished sweet and now let me show you how it's made. First, I take some milk and begin to boil it to prepare a sugar-free version of milkmaid. Into the milk, I add butter, whipped cream, milk powder, Splenda sugar substitute and a little malai. The mixture needs to be stirred continuously as it thickens so it doesn't stick to the bottom or burn. Once it reaches the right consistency, I pour it into a glass bowl and I set it aside to cool down. You have to keep the whole cashews and shredded coconut in the deep freezer. After a few hours, take them out and make a fine powder. Now, the cashews and coconut powder needs to be divided into two parts. To the white portion, add the prepared milkmaid, some raisins and cardamom powder and start stirring. No extra oil is required here. The oil you see is naturally released from the cashews and coconut. And you'll need to keep stirring while adding little splashes of milk until it reaches the right consistency, just like I'm doing. For the second portion, add sugar-free milkmaid, a little red color, and saffron to the cashews and coconut powder. Stir just like before. Oil will release on its own as it cooks. Keep splashing in a little milk while stirring. Once it reaches the right consistency, turn off the heat. Now I took some almonds and crushed them lightly. You can use any mix of nuts you like. Now I mixed the crushed almonds well into the second portion. Now take a square container and grease it lightly with ghee or line it with parchment paper. First, pour the white portion into the container and then spread it evenly and smoothly. Then spread the orange portion on top. Again, press it smoothly and evenly, just like the white portion. Lightly sprinkle cardamom powder. Then scatter the whole pistas and gently press them down to set evenly. Now keep it in the fridge for a while to set. Once set, take it out, cut into barfi pieces and enjoy. Even those with diabetes can enjoy this sweet happily and without any worry. And there you have it. Special Cashew Double Decker Barfi. I hope you enjoyed watching it being made. If you try it at home, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you.